Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to customize our WooCommerce website. Okay, so currently this is the website and it got two headers. This is the first header which got logo and some links to some pages over here, and at the top we have this social icons which will take us to our social media, and at the right we have this account and logout option. Okay, so we will see how to customize our header in this particular tutorial. If I'm just scrolling down, now as can be seen, header 2 is present and header 1 is gone. Okay, so this is the sticky header which sticks to the top of the page. Even if I'm just scrolling down, you will find this header just stuck at the top of the page. Okay, so we will see how to do all these options. So in order to customize our header, what we have to do is just click on this customize. If you don't see this customize option over here, then go to the dashboard, then go to the appearance, and this is the customize option. Just click this in a new tab, or you can just do one thing, click on this customize option over here also. Okay, so now let me just show you how to customize these options. So once you click on that customize, this interface will be getting opened from where you can customize your front end of your website. This is our front end, as you all know. Okay, so now at the left hand side we have this panel which will be helping us to customize our website. So first of all, we have this top bar what we have over here. So what I'll do is I will just scroll down, and we just have to search for top bar. Top bar option is not present over here. Okay, so here it is. Just click on this top bar. Okay, so when it comes to the top bar will have this three option, which is general and content and the social media. Okay, so if you want to enable this social media accounts, then just click on the social over here and click on enable social. If you just untick this, then as of now this is unticked, and now it can be seen over here there are no social sharing no social media links present over here. But if you want to give the social media links, click on this enable social. Okay, so once you enable this, you will get this many options down below, and now this social links are present over here. Okay, so now if you want to give link of any of your social media account, then you just have to paste the link of that social media account over here. Okay, so if you want to give the link of the Twitter, you just have to paste the link of the Twitter over here. Let me just quickly do that. Okay, so this is my Twitter handle. What I'll do is I will just copy the link of my Twitter handle over here. I will come to the customize option, and I will paste the link of my social media account over here. Okay, so you just have to remove this hash what is present over here, and just give the link of that social media account over here. Over here to give the link of the Facebook, then the Google Plus, whatever social media accounts that you want to link to your website. You just have to provide the links over here, and all those links will be will appear over here at the top, and people can contact you. Even the link of this email is available. So Google Plus, Pinterest, then the Dribble, then the VK. Let's just scroll down. Okay, so now as can be seen, there is email and RSS, then the tripad tribe advisor, then the Yelp, then the Zinc, Wine, the Vimeo. So there are some of the options which are present over here. With this you can directly your customer can directly contact you on the social media accounts. Okay, so this is how you can link your social media accounts over here. Let me just go back. Then comes the content part. Okay, so content is basically this is the content. Okay, so link of my account and the logout page, what you see over here, this is my content. What you can do is you can even give the link, you can even give your phone number and all. So as of now this is not required. You can just select the whatever content that you want from this drop down option. This is basically the selecting the template. So if you have any pre paid template, you have already made some template, and you can select it. But if you want to give the if you want to display the phone number and all, when it comes to these WooCommerce websites, so basically whenever any customer comes to your website, they will be probably in need of a phone number in order to contact you, or if you want, if they want some if they want to make some inquiry and all. So what you can do is, this content, my account and logout is actually not required, we can give that option over here. So as of now, what I'll do is, I will just remove all this content or what is present on the top right corner. And I can basically give my phone number. Okay, so I will say phone number, and I will provide my phone number over here. Okay, so this is how that phone number will come, and I will say publish. So whenever you make any changes, always make sure that you are publishing those changes by clicking on this publish button. Okay, so now my changes have been published. I will come back. Okay, and the next option, we have this general option. Just click on this. Okay, so now these are some of the general settings which you can enable on this top bar. So sometimes you might be in need of this top bar what we have as of now over here, and sometimes you might not be in need of. Okay, so if you want a top bar, you can just click on this enable top bar and you will get this top bar. If you don't want, then just uncheck this, and the top bar will be gone. Okay, now let me just show you how to do that. Just enable this and click on publish. Okay, so now as you can see, now changes are published, but as of now those changes are not implemented over here. Now let me just come to this my website link and refresh this, and let me just see. Okay, so now as you can see that top bar is gone. But again, if you want that if you want to enable that top bar, you click on this enable top bar option and click on publish. Okay, so now I'll come over here and refresh this. Okay, so now I'm getting the top bar over here. So next is top bar full width. If you want this top bar with the full width, that means this phone number will be going to the rightmost corner, and the social media will be at the left hand corner. So then just click on this top bar full width and click on publish over here. Then come over here and refresh this page. Okay, so now as you can be seen, this is at the left and this is at the rightmost side, and this actually don't look so good. So what you can do is just uncheck this, and now next option what we have is visible on the all the devices. So if you keep this option selected, that is visible on all the devices, that means this top bar will be visible on the cell phones, tablet and your PC. Okay, so you can what you can do is, if you don't want this top bar to be shown on the cell phone, then the tablets or on the desktop, then you can enable or disable that visibility option from this tab. So as of now it is been selected show on all the devices. If you want to hide it on the tablet, mobile, or hide it on the tablet and mobile, both this option, then you can just select it from over here. But as of now, just don't do that because we want to show the visibility of this top bar on all the devices. And the next is style content. That is, if you select this first style, that is the left hand side on social media icons, and on the right hand side we have this content, and this is how the content will be shown. You can even change this if you want to show both this content at the center, or if you want to show this content on the left hand side and social media on the right hand side, then you can do that. So if I say this content to be shown on the left hand side and social media on the right hand side, then I will select this first option which is present over here, and I will hit on publish. Most of the time whenever we make any changes, those changes were supposed to get replicated right over here, but due to some reason as of now those changes are not getting replicated. So I have to come to this website of mine and refresh it and see the changes. So now let me just refresh this, And okay, so now as you can see, the phone number is on the left hand side and the social media icons are on the right hand side. Okay, so this is how you can make changes. So now is padding is basically the internal spacing. So as of now, as can be seen from the top, this top black border to the content of this phone number, this space what you see, this is the 8 pixels space. This is all because of this padding. We have given the padding as 8 pixels from the top, and from the bottom as 8 pixels, and the right and the left we are given 8 as a 0 0. Okay, so from the right and the left we are having this 0 0, but as can be seen we are getting this so much of space. We are getting this so much of space and not 0, because we have enabled this option, which is uh, we have unchecked this option of top bar full width. Okay, so if you have given the top bar full width, then this padding would have been applied on this content. So as of now we don't want to implement those changes. And the next is the background color. As of now the background color of this top bar is purple, or you can say dark blue. If you want to change that, then you can change that background color from this tab, this option over here. And next is border color. If you want a border for this top bar, then you can select it, but that won't look so good, so just don't mess with any of these options. And next is color text. Color text is white, and because of which we are having this white color for this text over here. You can change the text color. And the link color is basically these social media links what we have. You can even change the link color of this. Currently this is white, and because of which we are having this link white in color. And link hover color. Okay, so these links what we have, once we take the mouse over it, their color don't change. Okay, so they remains white only. But if you want to change the links of this color of this social media links, once a mouse is taken on the top of it, then you can do that from this place. Okay, so this is all about the top bar. Thanks for watching. This is really very big and lengthy video, which is basically based on this top bar only. And in the next class we will see how to customize this menu over here, and I will show you exactly how to do that. So thanks for watching, and see you all guys in the next tutorial.